Hey guys, you join me and Margo, and we're on our way to a car show.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Look at this view. Oh, I can see some exciting things over there. Hey guys, welcome along to another episode of Andy's MG Adventures, where today we're in the beautiful grounds of Eastwood Park, where Queen Square Car Club are hosting a car meet. This is going to be a short highlights video of the morning, testing my new camera. Let's go and have a mooch. Those that know me know I'm a big fan of these little monsters. This is something else. This is the Morgan everyone's been coming to see.
Enjoy.
Now we're talking some American muscle. I really hope there's a Mustang in here. I really do. Aha, there is a god. My dream car, Mustang. I saw a classic one of these when I was around 8 years old, and, well, been in love ever since, really. Wow, I need to lie down. Amazing show, amazing cars. Thank you, Queen Square, for hosting such a great event. Despite some insanely awesome cars, nothing will really beat the one and only MG Midget, Margo. If you want more content like this, adventures with me and Margo, you know what to do. Hit subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and until the next time,